Understanding Fabric Choice, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase fabric choice. This is a common term in fashion and textile-related contexts, and understanding it can really help in both everyday conversations and professional settings. Let's dive in. Fabric choice refers to the selection of a specific type of fabric or material for a particular purpose. This could be for clothing, upholstery, or any other item where fabric is used. The choice depends on various factors like texture, durability, comfort, and suitability for the intended use. 1. Purpose. What is the fabric being used for? Clothing, furniture, or decoration? 2. Comfort. Is the fabric comfortable to wear or use? 3. Durability. How long will the fabric last under regular use? 4. Aesthetics. Does the fabric look good and fit the desired style? 5. Care requirements. How easy is it to care for the fabric? Can it be machine washed, or does it require special cleaning methods? 1. Fashion. Choosing silk for an evening gown due to its luxurious feel and elegant appearance. 2. Home decor. Selecting cotton for curtains because it's lightweight and easy to clean. 3. Outdoor gear. Opting for Gore-Tex in a rain jacket for its waterproof and breathable properties. Ignoring the care instructions. Choosing a fabric without considering its maintenance needs. Overlooking the fabric weight. Not considering how heavy or light a fabric is for the intended use. Neglecting comfort. Focusing only on appearance and not how the fabric feels. I hope this video has helped clarify what fabric choice means and how important it is in various contexts. Remember, the right fabric can make a big difference in both functionality and aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.